to start. I'm going to start the rhyme in 3, 2,
अब आपको एक्शन
1.
करना है, ठीक है?
एक्शन
एक्शन।
चुप तुम। ओके चुप, साइलेंट।
चलो चलो चलो।
देखो टीचर कैसे कर रही है, देखो तो ऐसे करा है। The wheels on Did you enjoy it? Yes or no? Yes. And when we want to say yes, what we should do? We should nod our head and thumbs up. Okay. Come on, show me your thumbs up. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Now we have done colors. We have done sounds. We are going to write numbers. Okay. Cheyenne is still singing songs, huh?
Yes.
Okay, now show me your pencils. Fast. Do you have a pencil? And do you have a paper? Very good. Okay, so we are going to write 5 numbers and we are going to draw 5 shapes. Okay? Yes or no? Yes? Yes. Good job. Okay, we are going to write 5 numbers first. Okay? I am writing it over here on the board. can you write this number? And which number is this? Can you tell me? 6. Which number is it? 6. Which number is it? 6. 6 is down and turn around. 6 is down and turn around. Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Very good. And the next number is 3. The next number is 3. How do we write 3? 3 is round and around. 3 is round and around. Did you write it? Very nice. Good job, Reha. Very nice. Good job, Shayan. High five. Okay, now we are going to write another number which is easy sana, बहुत easy sa. We are going to write 2. 2 is round and must sit down. Can you write it down, please? Thank you so much. 2 is round and must sit down. Good job. Good job. Very nice. Good job, Hassan Abdullah. Very nice. Good job, Shayan. Very good. Very good. Very good. And now we are going to write 7. 7 is go straight. Take a slide. Yes. It is really easy. You don't need that much time. Do it fast. Come on, quickly.
Good job, Shayan.
Anu,
Then
आपने लिख लिया? Zen is also busy in doing lunch now.
Zenu, did you write it? Where is 7? Show me.
Very good. Good, 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 good. Good job. Good job. Very good, Anya. Good job. Very good. Muhammad, आप भी थोड़ा सा लिख लें, please. Okay, so the next number is really easy. 0. 0 is round, down, round, and up. 0. Yes, write it down, please. 0 means nothing.
Nothing.
Good job. Good job. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Okay.
Very nice.
Now,
It's very fast. He's showing 0.
okay, now we are going to draw triangle. Can you draw triangle? Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Can you show me 3 fingers? Please show me your 3 fingers. 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 3 corners.
Good, Anya.
3 sides and 3 corners. Good job. Very good, Shayan. And after that, we are going to draw a circle. Circle is round and round. A small circle. Okay? Small circle. Happy. Also make it with your fingers like this. Anya, look. को देख. Very nice. Good job. Very good, Shayan. Very nice. Very nice. Mohammed.
Shayan, make triangle as well. Look,
Very
Shayan.
good. Thank you, Mustafa. Very nice. Okay, the next shape we should make oval. Oval is like an egg. Oval is like an egg. Can you please draw it on a piece of paper? Now we are going to draw. We will draw rectangle. Rectangle is make two small lines and then join them with the longer line. Okay? Yes, good job, Anya. Rectangle has two long sides and two short sides. Okay? Two long sides and two short sides. Very good, Reha. What are you erasing, Betu?
Good job, Shayan. Very nice.
And now we are going to draw a square. A square has four equal sides. Okay? A square has four equal sides.
Good job, Shayan. Good job. Tenu, where is your square? Busy in eating, huh?
It's done? Very nice. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you but let Miss Turfa tell you something. Okay? Acha, theek hai, it's okay. I will tell you. Okay? And everybody say Allah Hafiz to Miss Turfa. She is going, okay? Say Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, Miss Turfa. Bye. We will meet you soon.
Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Okay, so now I'm going to show you ORT characters. Remember, we have friends of ORT. Yes, I'm going to show you ORT characters and you need to tell me the names of them. Is it fine? If is it fine, then thumbs up, come on. Where is your thumbs up? Kahan hai thumbs up, huh? Yeah. Now, tell me who is it? Who is coming over here? Let's see. Is it Floppy? Is it Floppy coming? No? Who is it? Viv. Who is it? Viv. Yes. Come on, thumbs up. Is it Viv? Yeah, she's Viv. Good. And now who is going to tell me? Who is he? Who is he? Is it Floppy? Is it Floppy? No, it is not Floppy. Mom, Chip. He is Chip. Good job. Good job. Okay, now close your eyes. And I'm going to change it. And then who is coming next? Open. Who is it? Dad. Good job. Very nice. Okay, now again. And who is coming over here? Floppy. Yes, Floppy. And Floppy का friend नहीं आया ना अभी तक? Yeah, we need to call him too. Who is it? Kipper. Yes. Who is it? Kipper. And what is Kipper doing? Kipper is showing you thumbs up. Like the way you are doing to teacher, Hannah. You are also showing thumbs up to teacher. Yes, good job. Very nice. And there is one more person who is coming. Okay, you want to see her? You want to see? If you want to see, then come on, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh, Anu is closer, right? Let's see. Kaun aa rahe, kaun aa rahe, kaun aa rahe? Who is it? Mom. Good job. Very nice. It's Mom. Good job. Okay, now let me tell you a story. Okay? Do you want to hear a story? Yes? Okay. So remember we talked about a virus. There is one virus. Yeah, that is really bad virus, and it is not letting us go outside, and we can't go to school. And what we should do to prevent ourselves? What we should do? What we should do to prevent ourselves from a virus? Very good. We should wash our hands and cover our sneeze. Yes, yeah, exactly, Shayan. We should also wear a mask. Yes, we should also wear a mask. So today I'm going to tell you a story about mask. Okay? Why we should wear mask? Yes or no? Okay. So now, why we should wear mask? Look, we should wear a mask because we should not get contact with other people who might have germs, and to prevent ourselves from getting germs. Okay, so we should wear a mask always. And when you are going outside, we should also don't get closer to anyone. Okay, don't get closer to anyone. Just have a decent distance. We can only touch and hug to our family. Okay, you can hug your mama, you can hug your baba, you can hug your bhaiji, you can hug your sister, but you cannot hug your auntie, you cannot hug your even if someone is coming from outside, you cannot hug them. Okay, do you get that? If you get that, then please show me your thumbs up. Where is your thumbs up? No? Yes? Okay. Now, and we should also stay at home. We should not be going outside. And if you feel that you are not well, you should go to the doctor. You should go to the hospital. Yes, doctor will help you to get to be healthy again. Okay? Is it okay? Yes. Yes. And if someone is not well and she is sneezing in front of you, you should cover your mouth to prevent yourself, and you should also wash your hands. Okay? And how to wash your hands? Come on, tell me. Can you tell me? Can you show me how we should wash our hands? Very good. Rub, rub. 1, 2, 3. Yes, good job. Very nice. Very nice. And very good, Reha. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. And okay. So it was an end of a little small story, and we talked about why we should wear a mask. Okay. And with this, our class is done. Did you like the class? You can open your mic and we can talk. Open. Shayan, open your mic. Ask Mama to open your mic, okay?
बोले हो गया